Okay, hi everyone. This is Claire. I'm Apex Sales Manager from Bay Electronics. I hope you are doing well. Thanks for joining us today. Bay Electronics was established in 1981 from Sweden. We are an HMI, smart HMI manufacturer and IIoT gateway device manufacturer, specifically in marine application. But with our proven records and expertise across different segmentations like energy, automation, oil and gas, and security for many years. Now we become the company that able to provide total solution for system connection and digitalization. Share some background. Back in 80s, Bay Electronics was an exclusive distributor for Mitsubishi in North Europe. Back then, Bay Electronics deal with many different project applications. So we understand what market needs, what challenges are. Gradually, Bayer became the company with system integration mindset. We developed products based on the pain point we had faced before. We know what kind of difficulties projects have, what kind of features can solve problem easily. And start from Europe, Bayer's footprint has been covered to Asia now. Our customers have different requirements or struggles based on various harsh environment and circumstances. For example, customers are struggle with old and legacy facilities that are not compatible with latest technology, or their Wi-Fi system is unstable to transmit the data, or customers have projects in both Europe and Asia that need one solution can withstand the harsh temperature or environment. Bay Electronics usually customize solutions based on customers' needs. Before the project, we always go on site with customers to check the whole structure, understand the pain point. Then we design customized solutions specifically for the project. Even after the project, we have global technical teams standby on site or online. This all makes Bay Electronics a good team player in customers' mind. Globally, we've worked with quite a few leading projects. For example, we have projects in semiconductor, dry pump, and scrubber facilities in Taiwan and Japan. We also have projects, EV charging station projects across the United States. And currently, our global sales network are in more than 20 countries with over 80 partners to support locally. We have passion with our solutions and service, and we are happy to co-work with our global partners. I'm very excited to share more insights and have further discussion with you guys later. In today's webinar, I will share some of our insight in control and networking solutions for machine digitalization, how to change only one IIoT gateway device can easily reach your factory digitalization. That means no PLC change, no control program change, and no machine design change. What I'm sharing today is a solution that can truly help you save costs, save time, and save efforts for coding. Makes your job done faster, easier. So feel free to raise questions or discuss your ideas in the chat box with us. Nowadays, everyone talks about connecting machines, catching data to analyze for better performance. But in real world, there are lots of obstacles when it comes to connecting machines. For example, work order sheets are scattered everywhere, because machines are not really connected to one another. This means operators have to collect data manually, and the data is often not up to date, makes it hard to do any actions immediately. Machine also lack of device or features to integrate data to ERP or MES system. Not efficient and waste of time. Or some machines are old and legacy. If you want to upgrade or do digitalization, it's super expensive. These are all problems for many factory owners. They know the machine's running well, but the protocols cannot do any data sharing and analytics. They use last generation machines that equipped with over 10 PLC drivers. It's hard for customers to do any like data catch and analysis or predictive maintenance. Many last generation's machines were designed around proprietary protocols. That means serial or Ethernet based. Even Ethernet communication has been the standard in computer networks for many years, but there are still plenty of industrial devices using serial protocols. That's RS-232, RS-422, and RS-485. Because these protocols are good enough, no urgent reason to change. Also, pest control solutions usually are proprietary and close communication. That means users can only rely on specific brand device. You have to stick to that brand forever, rely on whatever their changes. In the past, if people want to exchange or integrate data, they usually use SCADA to connect ERP system. But actually, SCADA is not a suitable digitalization solution. It cannot catch all the data you need. It cannot do any customization requirement. Not to mention, SCADA system is very expensive. How about we put another additional gateway device to catch data? Some people put additional gateway device as alternative solutions. But what is the problem here? First, extra cost. Even cheapest gateway needs around extra $250. If you have different machines or PLC drivers, means you need to put more gateway device, double or triple your cost. I believe it's not what you want. Software or UI is different and additional too. And visualization function is too simple to analyze. Here we want to introduce Bear's solution. Only one IIoT gateway device can easily and directly help you connect data from OT machines all the way to IT database. Most importantly, with very reasonable cost. Bear's solutions start from one software called iX Developer. This software is Windows-based. It has MQTT and OPC protocols to transfer data. Easy to configure with friendly UI. It also has SQLite to compile all data to MES and ERP system, and RESTful API to open external database. You also can export report in Excel, PDF, or CSV file. Save a lot of efforts and time when it comes to data exchange and integration. Once you compile all the data in iX Developer, you can upload the program to gateway device or PC. Here in this picture, you can see we offer two solutions, the hardware solution and software solution. For hardware, we offer different size of gateway device with free runtime to display the data information. With screen or without screen, we offer the flexibility for different project requirements. Or if you already have PC or notebook on site, you only need to purchase our runtime software to operate in your own PC or notebook. Simple as that. And here are some differences we have with other competitors. Bear has built-in SQLite and RESTful API to compile all data to MES and ERP system. It can export a report easily. It also has MQTT and OPCUA protocols to transfer data to IT side. If you have semiconductor application, we also have SesGen protocol that not many competitors on the market have. Also, most competitors using Markor language, means it has limitation to do customization requirement. But ours is C# language. It means it's more flexible when customized protocols or functions by each project application. So if you have any, if you are doing projects with diverse requirement, it's a very easy and friendly tool for you. Besides, our solution can communicate with hundreds of different POC and automation equipment from all major brands on the market. Usually, POC can operate for many years and still can run. No urgent need to change, as it's super expensive. But customer has a growing demand to get data from POC. So you can check our driver list. We support many POC drivers, even those very old ones, such as Siemens S5. This model is very old POC, but we still can support their driver. And we especially support many Japanese brand drivers. Remember, I mentioned that we were a Mitsubishi distributor in Northern Europe before, right? Because we have many customers using Japanese system. Back then, we know Japanese system is usually very close with limitation. So since then, we developed flexible tool and gradually integrate more and more Japanese POC drivers than competitors. This enables our gateway to access all the vital data hidden in the machines or facilities and send it to a database. Okay. And for our software, it's very easy to operate. When configured, everything is stored in a USB. You do the configuration of your application and you are up and running. Very easy and fast. You can simply configure system with only one software platform, and the setting and the demand are ready. You can also add new signal without advanced programming skills. You can use a protocol converter to multiple subsystems from other manufacturers. It can also lower factory energy, chemical use, and increase treatment capacity. Moreover, there's one thing I really want to highlight and recommend. You can see if you have some trend, bar charts, or diagram in your application, we have building button. You can change the style right away. You can see from this video, it's very easy. You just press the button and you can choose whatever design, whatever styles you want for your data display. Also, if there's lines that you want to hide, for example, this one, the red line and green line, if you want to hide any lines, just press one button and can make it happen. Let's take a look again. The red line. Sorry, it's here, the red line. Just one button. And you can hide data you don't need. You don't need to spend time to do programming. You can save time to focus more on developing your application. So also it's a very easy and useful tools when you do your application. If you need some ready-made program templates, examples, or demo projects, a function for a sensor to complete your solutions, you can also go on our Smart Engineering Store webpage, and all the templates are tested and well documented for you. Some are free, some are charged, so feel free to explore more on our website. So by using Bear's digitalization tool, customer can load data to the database, export data, and build data dashboard for information sharing, and send notification to service engineers when issues occur. Through direct connections to the device, customers are able to communicate with almost any brand of PLC through an extensive driver list. No controller change, no machine design change, no program change. Save money, save time, and save your energy. Now let's take a look for some real project case we have done around Asia. This one is a PCB production line. They have 4 different stations from production, drilling, AOI to packaging. The factory wants to reach manufacture paperless real-time recipe and monitoring system. But the challenge is existing ERP system cannot communicate with controllers of production and test equipment to achieve real-time performance. Since it's old machine system, there are no functions to transmit all the parameters or recipe back to ERP. Means operators have to manually write down all the information and send it back to the machines. That means it's very easy to make mistakes. Solution is customer put our hardware gateway device to connect all the information to database. They use 100 pieces of our X2 Pro device in one factory. Also, because our gateway device has USB port, so customer connect USB barcode scanner. Just scan once, all the information, parameters, and recipes in each production line become a barcode and easily upload all the correct information and display on the machine. The productivity was further increased by allowing operators to adjust positioning and filling speed for the recipe needed. The machine can send a feedback like motor temperature, actual torque, and position of the motor, or energy consumptions, and more information back to the server to analyze. Whether the customers are having an automatic workflow using robots to fill the press, or operators handling the machines. Any malfunctions will send an alarm or notice to stop the production remotely. And the function is important for improving the general facilities operation rate. This is the plus for engineers. There are less on-site maintenance needed, save them lots of efforts and energy. And this is another carton factory case. Usually challenges for a carton factory is they need to produce different size or different styles of cartons. Some are maybe round shapes, some are triangle shapes of cartons. That means the factory need to customize different types of recipes for production. Plus, each station has different missions. Start from feeding, printing, pre-creasing, button die cutting to vacuum fold cutting. Each station has different requirements, makes all the system complicated. In the past, operators have to manually key in parameters and recipe one by one. But manually means double the risk. If they key in any wrong data or information, all the production goes wrong and need to be scrapped. Besides, the factory has different production lines across Taiwan, Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia. So customers need a solution to integrate all information and real-time monitoring system, since every production line located in different areas. Solution is customer combine both of our 7-inch and 12-inch hardware and software in their system. Since the machines communicate with third party and connect up to 10 different PLC drivers, customers use our IIoT Gateway device for bridge different controller on each equipment. It can gather data from every station, sensor, robot, or inverters with variety of OT protocols. So to send the information to a database. And on the other stations, because customer already have existing IPC device, so they only install our IX runtime software on each server to collect all information from each side. Because cartons require different shapes, cutting angles, so recipes are vary with large amount of information. Our solution can connect to database directly across different departments. That put every operator on the same page and decrease human mistakes. Besides, we have one function called audit tracking, so that enable verifications on information. You can check like what operator was conducted, what kind of actions by which operator and when. You can analyze defects and provide feedback during your operation time. And finally, since Bayer Solutions has VNC function, so machines are being controlled and monitored remotely via a VNC application. Information can be traced across different devices, such as mobile, tablet, and PC. So engineer can check latest data information without any conversion whenever they are. This really saves time and effort. And there's HMI device, IIoT Gateway device has open framework that integration is possible across all different technical systems. So from one side to another side, from storage to distribution, all installation can check and maintain immediately with the IX software on the device display. By applying our simple solution, customer now can easily log data, track performance, and monitor machine health status and reduce paperwork time. Okay, these are my sharing for today. And these are the answer how you can digitalize your smart factory. There is not just an industrial solution provider. Our solution and expertise contribute to efficient utilization of energy and efficient production. We continuously improving products and service to provide customers with an opportunities to reduce operation cost. For factory automation, time is money. So reduce downtime and increase efficiency is always priority. As long as you invest in the right device and tool, that will save you a lot of time and energy. Also, we have a project health check opportunities here. As we know, industrial projects are usually complicated with large structure with many devices. So we'd like to support your project health check to assist you to solve your struggle. Bay Electronics, we have strong and experienced global technical team. We also have very sound and scalable product lines to help you complete your project. We can support you to check your system structure, dig out potential problems, and come out with suitable solutions to make the system installation and operation easier. So feel free to send me email to discuss more. And if you are doing projects similar to what I'm sharing today, or if you are maybe unsure about what solution or device to integrate, you can also feel free to send me email to discuss more. Our team are happy to dig out your problems and offer right solution for you. As I mentioned, our IX software, the one I shared earlier, I just share some basic example. But if you want to get to know more about how to run our software in your device and application, how to customize specific recipe, protocols, or functions by the C# script, you are also welcome to contact me to schedule an introduction meeting. Okay, thanks for your time today. I'm very happy to share with you guys my idea. I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.